Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch, and it's a Milkybar special today because I've got one product which I'm pretty sure is new. Fairy Lights 135 from Morrisons, and one product that I know isn't new, but you might not know about it, and I really like it. Milkybar Festive Friends, which were 99p from Home Bargains. Yeah, I've definitely had these before. I definitely like them, but any excuse to try them again, you know. Now somehow this has got all broken. I don't know how. It wasn't like that when I bought it, but doesn't matter. Won't affect the taste, will it? Right, what does it say? White chocolate with 10% mini inclusions. Milk chocolate in a sugar shell. That's what the mini inclusions are. Tells you that in brackets. I'm planning on this being a very short video because I've got loads to do. But you never know. Once I start talking on these videos, sometimes, before I know where I am, I'm on 10, 12 minutes or more. I don't know. I just rabbit on, don't I? 3 pieces in 1 serving. Okay. Share or save your chocolate. Okay. Storage advice. Store cool and dry. And it says, look, smell, taste before you waste. I don't waste any chocolate, do I? Okay. Festive Friends. White chocolate with a creamy filling and crispy pieces. It's 2% crispy pieces. These are a bit expensive for what they are, because that's only 57 grams, but they are nice. This is 100 grams, by the way, the new Fairy Lights, so we'll give that a try. See what it's like. Right, which end does it open? Does it open any particular end? I don't know. I've got the scissors here, but I'm determined not to use them. I think I might have to use them for this one though. Right. It would have been good to show you the whole bar, but I can't because it's broken. But there you go. There's the little almost like little smarty things they look like, don't they? And that's how they're described anyway. There's one piece here. This piece here doesn't look like, oh, hang on, it's got one underneath there. I was going to say, it doesn't look like it's got any in it, but... Okay, so... Another bit broken off. According to Milkybar, that's 1 serving. Right. Typical lovely Milkybar taste. With, I think there was just one little inclusion in that. It doesn't look as though there's many of these little bits in there, does it? Let's get the whole thing out. Now, look, it's all broken. It's shattered. Look, completely broken up. But you can see there's not many of these things in it. Well, those squares have got 2 each, I think, but yeah, let's have another bite. Well, it's good in as much as it's Milkybar, and Milkybar is always good, in my opinion, if you like white chocolate, of course, which I do. but there's not enough of those bits in it. There really isn't enough to make it different enough from an ordinary Milky Bar. So, in that respect, would I buy it again? No, I wouldn't. I'd just buy an ordinary Milky Bar. So, yeah, that's disappointing. Really disappointing. Hang on. There's a couple of little bits here that have got loads of those little things in them. Let's try them. Yeah. That's much better. Because these little things have got milk chocolate in them. Which means when you've got more of them in a bite, like I just had, it makes the taste much different. And better. And more crispy. If the whole bar was like that, it'd be great. But as it is, I don't particularly recommend it. What a shame. I've got something else here to show you. Don't let me forget, will you? Right, let's see if I can open these Festive Friends. As I said, I've had these before. Look at that. Easy open pack. I wonder how many you get in here for your £1.35. Right, you get 7 of these things, and they're not very big at all. So as I said, you know, they're good, but they're not worth them. Oh, this is broken as well. What's going on? Oh, well, I'll show you a bit of it. Lovely. These are the ones to go for out of these two products, definitely. Because these are more interesting. The overall taste is very similar, but it's more interesting because it's got the creamy filling, and in that creamy filling, you've then got the crispy bits, which has actually got raw rice flour. I thought the crispy pieces were actual puffed rice, but it doesn't look as though they are. But it's definitely got a ricey sort of taste to it. Well, that might be just what I'm expecting it to taste like. So, yeah. If I can pick this up now, it's upside down, I know, but if I turn it over, it'll all fall out. Upside down fairy lights, I don't recommend. Festive Friends, I do recommend. Now, if you're a Milky Bar fan, and if you're a gold chocolate fan, at the moment, Home Bargains are selling this amazing Milky Bar Gold, which, as you can see, is completely empty because I've eaten it. Yeah, Home Bargains are selling these for 49p. Amazing! Last year I did a gold chocolate multi-test, and this was the winner. It's superb. Absolutely superb. Right, and as usual, I've waffled on for far too long. Much longer than I was planning to, nearly 10 minutes. Okay, let me know your thoughts about Milky Bar. If you've tried any of these, just, yeah, drop your comments down below. And there might not be a video tomorrow. Because I said, I've got a lot on at the moment. But if there isn't one tomorrow, I'll definitely be back Saturday. I did that. Completely forgot what I was going to say there, so I'll just say bye. Don't forget to hit the like button. Please.